In other news, a tourism official is insisting that Portland's natural environment will be protected as they move to develop and market the parish as a tourist destination. With the recent by-election in the eastern section of the parish, there was an increase in business activity. We have more in this report.
Portland, known for its natural greenery and breathtaking views. The parish was on the radar of hundreds of people with the April 5 by-election in the east. For one taximan, the by-election did not increase the number of passengers, but for a shopkeeper, business was booming.
From the announcement of the election, and more people has been coming into the parish, you have seen that things has been stepping up from them.
I don't see no one taking taxi otherwise from regular people like we used to carry, like the Pastor Garden students and people from in the town to Brownbrook. I don't see anybody else really taking taxi.
Some of those in the accommodation business, however, did not share that view. Checks by our news team revealed that most hotels, guest houses, and just about every nook and cranny providing accommodation were booked to capacity during the by-election period. But even before that, Portland attracted scores of visitors. One may argue, though, that the level is not in keeping with the potential of the parish. Much more can be done.
Last year we had several cruise ships coming to Port Antonio, a small boutique cruise ship with visitors who have higher spending power. But beyond that, if the infrastructure is not improved in Portland, they will not benefit in a very fulsome way from tourism.
Senior strategist in the Tourism Ministry, Delana Seavright, says roads, water and telecommunication systems, for example, need further improvement. He points to the widening of sections of the Junction Main Road in St. Mary as one of the projects to improve access to Portland. Work will also begin on the Southern Coastal Highway from Harborview in Kingston to Port Antonio, Portland.
And in addition to that, we have some work going on at the aerodrome in St. Mary by Oracabessa, which is also important to improving transportation linkages to the parish of Portland. Once those transportation linkages are resolved, then you will have more traffic coming into Portland.
In a recent RGR Gleaner Group Don Anderson poll, 82% of respondents felt the Southern Coastal Highway would bring economic benefits.
And it's important to note that we have no interest at all in overdeveloping Portland. Portland must be a boutique, rustic, eco-tourism-friendly destination, and that's what we're about.
And so the plan is to market Portland overseas as part of Brand Jamaica.
The new James Bond film, a lot of the filming will take place here in Port Antonio and in other areas in Portland. That's going to be a major kickstart for the parish. But beyond that, the mere fact that we can tell our overseas partners that yes, the roads are coming, that's a fact. Yes, the aerodrome by Oracabessa will be expanded, that's a fact. And yes, there will be a general improvement in infrastructure around the parish, that's a fact. Then they will be willing to sell the parish.